Hello everyone. Welcome to June 24th. It's the last week of June. I can't believe it's already flying by so fast. And I'm happy to be on here with you guys today. I have a few announcements before we get started. I have some packages now for my Astrid channelings. Astrid is the blue diamond light beings consciousness that I channel, and they're really here to help us with moving into the new energy and can teach us how to use our energy in a way that aligns with the new and helps us into that light of that vibration. So I have packages available. I think it's three packages, 3 sessions. But you can hop on to the links in the chat, or I'll put them below in the replay video. I also am doing something new with Astrid, which is having you ask Astrid a question. So you can just email me your question, and I'll tap into Astrid and write you back with their answer. So that's like an easy, quick price point also for you to be able to get in and get your questions asked. And I'm really excited and happy to be able to offer this to everyone now. So hopefully you'll check that out. And I think that is it. So for today, just take this moment right now to close your eyes and come inward and start to focus on your sacral chakra and ask yourself, what is it that I want to create in my reality this week? How do I want to feel this week? How do I want to live this week? Do I want to be more present? What do I want to create in my life long term, and how can I start that now? So start thinking about your intentions, how you want to feel, how you want to think, how you want to be for this week ahead, and really just take this moment for you. And with that, I am going to go ahead and tap in and get started with our light language healing session for this week. Onkole indere in kashalom bokole indere in shakodre e kashilande umbodro okele e shakaya in colombo sholo e coli shakala ayale e shakondre e shatala andre e shakodrombo colinde shakale inde okolindre akasolo umbokolo okashataya. So we're bringing in and drawing in more light frequency from the crown, dropping in to the shoulders and down to the heart, into this diamond shape. Ompara ankrendre ishopo bola kira inchikorom shitre indre ishkodolo obare andre ishkumbodro entre ekale indre ekalomba akadisatro okolonti lamba inkishilende okolondre ekashala ekolo oshila e. Okola ashile ekolombo shilande shakale akale shakonde and shikande akashla ande ekolombo koshilande akale and shikandre okolombo shitere chichitirande to akalende ekolombo kole akande shakande. Today we're going to be really focusing on that third eye chakra. Ombaren chikande andre ishakolo andre ishanande undre uncho umbolom akalentre ikodro okusanande eseri indro umpodoro do akanente ande unkolo ande anshira umbo do. Just working on and through those layers within the energy chakras. Ondre ikande sotorombo kolonde shande akalenje kolombolo ondre ikalande. It's like clearing your vision ahead, clearing this the old energy around your eyes and what you see and what you think you know, and opening up that space for curiosity and for the new. Andre ishikotoro umpokoro tre inkishimbo mbadendre ikande akale ishikolo orzi andre ikolomba shatale inti akale inti shikolo umbo tre inti chinande akale imbe okolombo kolende shakale inde akale shikandre ikanolombo kalende an shikande andre ikolo shikai akale indre ishukoya ande shende ombolonde shakale akale indre iokolo onde ishilombo kolende akale insulo umbodolo tere kale akshale okolo inji kande ande ombolombo sore embande angshilinde ande ankolombo kolondre shakale indre onke shakalende shuja husha ire ikla eko umbren shakande ale shakande akale shakande okola ashalomba akale shakale it's learning to open up this heart space in a new way. Umbren shakon undre ikale tisoroya adre ishonde andre umbre indre to remember that you can draw in these seeds of knowledge, of creativity, of love that you want to draw in from above that isn't necessarily manifested yet. But the first step is to draw them into the body, to the heart, and feel how they resonate here. To give you a new start, you must learn to feel these feelings and to know them, and to be able to process through what it is, which way, what do you want today, what do you want tomorrow, what will it be, my friends, what will it be, my friends? Onkolondre injakondre indekandre okolom pashalande okole ishikande okole injikande, just rubbing the sacral chakra. Anjirombokum injikande andre inkasudondikande, and connecting that heart, need, want, space, intention down into that sacral space where all creation comes from. Andre inko umbolumbande akashi umbo in this incubation period in the dark before the spark of the new. Ankare inchikondre inchikandre inde umpokonde ankashidana indi undole umpokola ekansikande andre inde okolondre akashikala okolo undre okashakande akali idolo okashikalande akashala popola ondre ishkotoroto akashle ikande okolombo yarsi andre ikasholo umbo ankare inchikandre ishkande okolo ondre akashalande ambari indri ikolombo sutromba de ila shakale koshla inkedumbo kolombo kole akale inde akale inde akale inde akale inde akale inde akale inde, and being able to see with greater clarity. Umbulum akalinde andre inkalondre akale inde akale inde akale inde unkolon chekandeendre ikolum bukosora inde akale indra okolom busura kashate akale kale isula umbolo akale indre indle akasunum pashatande shatalande andre bonde akalinde akale inde kande andre inkala ande unkolon shakande andre inkolom tala, sending you light codes through this violet flame, through this violet light, coming in to help remove any densities or blockages around this third eye chakra. Ankre ontalandre inde kashatea lo okolende ale shukole intila umpokole ande shikandre inkolonde ashalande solo umbolo umpokolande akale indra okolo akale utre ishkale shikalande okolomboya akale indre okashurompokosha ale akashali ira ekashala eya okala eshialande. Open up that stargate, my friends, to that which is your divine right, your sovereign right to be here, to create, to be the creator. Ondre ishakandre entre angeli indre incolombo cole indre inshakandre in colombo cole ishatea o colombo sha aya. Inkashakayale into indra umpocolundre ishakale unka kale icola okale indre itro o okale ishakate inkara indra ocola opode hasla indre indra ocolo toto. Ashirande umpocolo toro ishakale isro unchikale inde okli ishkalo ublo opuya hale akale hole ishakale indre ishkole ashiram pocodolo unkale inde ankashidin inde okale indra umpocolo okole anshikale re colore kale ikashale aira unkaya ya shakaya unkore inshakarinde ashalo umpokolono tete okolono toto akare inshikandre indolombakalinde alende shalande andre indre okolombakande yakshi inde akre okale inshikande unre ishakotoye akale ishakande ande shakumba andre inka ingro unkusro undeya Andre indra oshorande aya. Ishanande umbra indira. This is your call to join the higher consciousness, to allow this higher consciousness frequency to evolve within your energy, in your field, so you may evolve as well, my dear friends. Ondre inchakandre inde, adre inchakondre inde, akale inchakonde inde, akalinde ondre ande hala heya, he shakandre shakoya. Akale shikoya, akale shikoya, akale shikoya, akale shikoya. To now take that energy and spiral it down into your body, into your cellular memories. Ombakande, dalande, akalande. And allow that energy to light up your DNA and allow that to flow. Allow those lights to implode into your system of all this divine, pure white essence of remembrance of who you are. This is the message from the stars, from your soul sisters and brothers from another galaxy dimension, coming in for your attention so you can feel and see and know which way is for you to go, for you to be. In this beautiful, beautiful light we see all that there is for eternity, to remember the joy and the love, and come back to that, my dear friends, sending love from above. Okay, wow. Well, take a moment to take a deep breath and come back to your body. This time, this space, and feel the change that has just taken place. And with that, my dear ones, my dear friends, my soul family here on earth, thank you. Thank you so much for your support, for your guidance, just being here. It means so much. So thank you, and sending you much love and joy for the week ahead. And remember to mark your calendars for next Monday at noon for another free 10 minutes of light language session healing. Much joy and blessings. Bye for now.